Many repair shops spend money on marketing, but never fully understand which calls become customers and which opportunities are being lost. AI call tracking changes that. With the right system, AI can record, transcribe, and analyze phone calls to uncover trends that affect revenue. You can learn which ad sources generate the best callers, how your team handles price shoppers, and where appointments are being lost during conversations. This gives shop owners real visibility into what is happening on the front lines. Instead of guessing why certain campaigns are underperforming, you can use AI insights to improve scripts, coach staff, and make better marketing decisions. It is not about micromanaging. It is about identifying missed revenue opportunities and fixing them. When paired with a strong growth strategy from America's best shops, AI call analysis helps shops tighten up operations and improve conversion rates. Even a small increase in booked appointments from existing call volume can create a significant jump in monthly revenue.